Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing devices. Sign into the same Apple ID, make sure Apple Music is active on your iPhone, and update the Ps5 system software. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi and enable Bluetooth on the iPhone so the phone can discover nearby devices. This step matters because the Ps5 uses network and media sharing protocols. If versions or accounts differ, streaming or linking will fail. Now move to pairing and AirPlay, which is the actual bridge between iPhone Apple Music and Ps5 audio. Next, you pair or route audio. Open Apple Music and play a track, then tap the AirPlay icon and pick the Ps5 output if it appears. This streams audio straight to the console. If AirPlay doesn't appear, use the remote play option. Connect iPhone via a Lightning to USB cable and run PS Remote Play, which can relay system audio. Also make sure media player and network streaming permissions are enabled on the Ps5. These settings let the console accept incoming streams and prevent blocked connections during playback. To finish, confirm the Ps5 audio output matches the AirPlay target. Set output to TV or the headset you want. Test playback briefly and adjust volume on both devices. Make sure the Apple Music app remains active on the iPhone during streaming. If it fails, restart the iPhone, Ps5, and router in sequence, then reauthorize your Apple ID on the iPhone. One key troubleshooting tip. Try another AirPlay source like Spotify to check whether the problem is Apple Music specific or a general AirPlay/.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.